subject. Children, I hope you all must be revising U sound words and UN rhyming words which ma'am has taught you in previous video. Now it's time to learn U sound words, UT rhyming words and more U sound words. But before that, let's enjoy one song.
Short vowel I like to say this letter every day. I like to say short vowel g bug bug nut nut sun sun hut hut I like to say this letter every day. I like to say short vowel bus bus cup cup g rug rug g gum gum I like to say this letter every day. I like to say short vowel
Now children, let's learn U sound words. U sound words. What is this? This is a hut. You might have seen this type of hut in villages, right? Now let's learn the spelling of hut. What is the spelling of hut? H U T hut. H says her, U says T says t. Hut. H-U-T hut. Now the next picture is nut. Children, this is a favorite food of squirrel, right? And even walnut, cashew nut, they are also called nut. Now let's learn the spelling of nut. N U T nut. N says na, U says T says t. Na, t, nut. N U T nut. Now children, let's learn UT rhyming words. Can you see? Yes, some words are written over here. But what is common in all these words? Yes, UT is common in all these words. See? That's why they are called UT rhyming words. Let's read one by one all these words. BUT, but means lekin, parantu, right? Let's form one sentence. I want to go to party, but I have homework, right? मुझे पार्टी में जाना है, लेकिन मेरा होमवर्क है. We use but to form a sentence. Next is CUT, cut. Cut means कुछ काटना. HUT, hut, right? NUT, nut. GUT, gut means stomach. Now let's read one more time. BUT, butt. CUT, cut. HUT, hut. NUT, nut. And GUT, gut. Now children, let's learn more U sound words. This is a bus. Yes, and what is the spelling of bus? B U S, bus. B says ba, U says S says sa. Ba, sa, bus. B U S, bus. Now let's see the next picture. What is this? Yes, this is a jug. Now let's learn the spelling of jug. J U G, jug. J says J, U says A, G says G. J, A, G, jug. J, U, G, jug. Now the next picture. What is this? This is a bug. It is an insect. Now let's learn the spelling of bug. B, U, G, bug. B says B, U says A, G says G. B, A, G, bug. B, U, G, bug. Now let's move to the next picture. What is this? Yes, it's a tub. What is the spelling of tub? T, U, B, tub. T says T, U says A, B says B. T, A, B, tub. T, U, B, tub. Now let's move to the next picture. What is this? This is a cup. हम इसमें क्या पीते हैं? मम्मी पापा और क्या पीते हैं? सब लोग इसमें क्या पीते हैं? चाय पीते हैं. Now let's learn the spelling of cup. C, U, P, cup. C says K, U says A, P says P. K, A, P, cup. C, U, P, cup. Now the next picture. What is this? Yes, it's a mug. और इसमें आप क्या पीते हो? Yes, milk. Now let's learn the spelling of mug. M, U, G, mug. M says ma, U says a, G says g. Ma, a, g, mug. M, U, G, mug.
Now let's do UT rhyming words with action. UT rhyming words. BUT but, CUT cut, HUT hut, NUT nut, GUT gut.
From your ELE book, open page number 3434. What is there? Use sound words. There are some pictures and next to it there are spellings of it. Now tell me, which picture is this? Yes, bun. Now what is spelling of bun? B-U-N, bun. And you have to write 2 times. B, U, N, bun. Again one more time you have to write B, U, N, bun. Next is G-U-N, gun, S-U-N, sun, H-U-T, hut, N-U-T, nut, T-U-B, tub, C-U-B, cub, B-U-S, bus, C-U-P, cup, B-U-G, bug, M-U-G, mug, J-U-G, jug. This way you have to complete this page. Now the next page, page number 3535. Now there are rhyming words. First is UN rhyming words. Which are they? B-U-N, bun, F-U-N, fun, G-U-N, gun, R-U-N, run, S-U-N, sun. And even here you have to write 2 times. First is B-U-N, bun. So you have to write 2 times B-U-N, bun. This way you have to complete UN rhyming words. Next is UT rhyming words. Which are they? B-U-T, but, C-U-T, cut, H-U-T, hut, N-U-T, nut, G-U-T, gut. Here you have to write 2 times. B-U-T, but. One more time. In this way you have to complete this UT rhyming words also. Now the next page, page number 3636. In this, which exercise is there? Look at the picture and encircle the correct word. You have to see the picture and you have to find out the correct spelling. Which picture is this? Yes, this is a bug. Now read the spelling. B-U-G, bug, or T-U-G, tug. What is the spelling of bug? Yes, B-U-G, bug. So you have to circle here. In this way you have to complete all these. Then now the next page, page number 3737. Fill in the gaps using A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. So you have to see the picture and fill in the vowels. Now what is this? Dog. What is spelling of dog? D-O-G, dog. This is O sound word. So you have to write O. D-O-G, dog. In this way you have to complete all these. Now the next page, page number 3838. Identify the pictures and solve the crosswords. Now which picture is this? Cat. In this what you have to do? You have to see the picture and you have to write the missing letters. Now what is this? Cap. Spelling of cap is C-A-P, cap. A is already written here. So you have to write C, A is written and here you will write P. C-A-P, cap. Next is pan. What is spelling of pan? P-A-N, pan. So here you will write P. A is already written and N. So what is spelling of pan? P-A-N, pan. In this way you have to complete all these also. Okay kids?
Children, take out your red and blue line book and first we will write heading U sound words. And our first word is H U T, hut, and you will write 5 times, and here we will draw picture of hut. So first we will draw slanting line, another slanting line, then another slanting line, then opposite slanting line. Same way 3 times we will draw slanting line, then here from here standing line and joint with sleeping line, and here standing, sleeping, standing, and make here one circle. This is a picture of hut. Now after hut our next word is nut. N U T, nut. You will write 5 times and here we will draw picture of nut. For that 1 curve, 2 curve, 3 curve, then another opposite curve. Right? And small sleeping line, and here draw one oval shape, another oval shape. This is called nut. Now on next page we will write UT rhyming words, and our first rhyming word is B-U-T, but, C-U-T, cut, H-U-T, hut, N-U-T, nut, and G-U-T, gut. But, cut, hut, nut, gut. Now on next page again we will write heading U sound words, and our first word is B-U-G, bug. You will write 5 times and here we will draw picture of bug. For that draw one circle, eyes, lips, antenna, then from here C curve, go up with opposite C curve and joint, and then from the middle draw slanting line, opposite slanting line, and here draw circles both sides. Then here sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line, slanting line. Same way here sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line, slanting line. This is a picture of bug. Now our next word is cup. C-U-P, cup. Write 5 times and here picture of cup. For that one oval shape, then make Q curve, small slanting line, here slanting line and join with sleeping line, then here make one curve, then here slanting line, another slanting line. This is a picture of cup. Then on next page, bus, B-U-S, bus. Write 5 times. Now here we will draw picture of bus. For that sleeping line, then curve, standing line. Same way here curve, standing line, sleeping line, go up with opposite U curve, sleeping line, same way opposite U curve and joint. Now make a one more curve for complete the circle like this. Okay kids, and here in this circle standing line, sleeping line, slanting line, opposite slanting line, same way here we will do standing line, sleeping line, slanting line, and this is wheels. Here draw one sleeping line and here leave some space and standing line, slanting line, circle. Then here leave some space, 2 standing line, again leave some space, 2 standing line, leave some space, 2 standing line. This is a picture of bus. Now next word is jug. J-U-G, jug. Write 5 times and here we will draw picture of jug, and for that slanting line, opposite slanting line, and this both slanting line join with oval shape like this. And from here, opposite C curve, and do like this. And from here, slanting line, join with slipping line, and make here one curve. This is a picture of jug. Now on next page, our next word is mug. M-U-G, mug. Write 5 times, and here we will draw a picture of mug. For that, make one oval shape, standing line, and join with slipping line. Then here make one curve, and here we will draw small flower. This is a picture of mug. Now our next spelling is tub. T-U-B, tub. Write 5 times, and here we will draw a picture of tub. Make one oval shape, slanting line, join with slipping line, and here make one loop, another loop. Same way here, one loop, another loop. This is called tub. So kids, you will do writing practice as well as drawing practice in your book. Bye.